guys, and just never mind, I'm doing this video. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Dang it, I started early again. Hello, now I'm here.